Welcome back. This is Jodie Rollins, Psychic Medium and the Mojo Maverick. And today, I just wanted to talk to you guys about law of attraction. I wanted to talk to you about the understanding that I feel like everybody has a misconception of it, that they watch The Secret, and as much as I love The Secret, it is a very, 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 very general description and understanding of how the law of attraction works. And not that it's so difficult to understand how it works, but it is difficult to implement because we have so many belief structures and understandings that bump up against that awareness. If you have an old belief structure that you must work hard for your money, and then you implement, I believe I can create abundance by just thinking abundant thoughts, which do you think is going to win? The old belief structure or the new one? I'd say the old one. Because how many times a day do you think, I'm going to think abundant thoughts and create flow? You don't think that very often. You think it every once in a while when you want to create abundance and flow, when you're feeling lack. When you're feeling lack because you've been doing the old pattern of working your ass off to make some money, because that's how you believe the world works. That's how you believe good people work, right? Not those buggers that just make money, don't do anything. I'm a good person. I work hard for my money. I bust my ass, so I deserve my money. Lots of belief structures connected to money and abundance. And I picked that one just because there's a lot of belief structures around money, right? The root of all evil, filthy rich. Just think of that terminology, filthy rich. Do you think that's attracting money to you? No, it's not a positive statement. It's not. We never say filthy rich really, really happily. We say filthy rich. Oh, they're filthy rich. That's amazing. And that's just accepted. Oh, I didn't mean it. Yeah, you did. Or you wouldn't use those words. Alignment with the law of attraction. Understanding that you are the beacon, the magnet that is pulling everything in your vicinity towards you based on your vibration, based on how you feel. It's amazing to me that with this knowledge that we don't make how we feel the absolute priority, that we don't make tending to how we are in any given moment our highest priority. But we don't, because we have other belief structures that we bump up against saying we have to put people first, and that good people put people first, and that you don't be selfish. Don't be selfish and put yourself first, Jodie. What are you, crazy? Don't embarrass me like that and put yourself first. Don't ask for things for you. Oh my goodness. Well, then how am I supposed to believe that I'm an infinite creator and I can just allow things into, I deserve to have everything? Not if my conditioning says the opposite. There's an integration. I'm not saying you can't move into the new integration. I'm saying merely believing something as an agreement in your head is not a belief structure. It is not your new habit of thinking. It is something you agree with. Agreeing with something and believing it and implementing it and standing in it are totally different things. So if you believe you create reality, that is fantastic. Because if you don't believe that, we have to start way back at the beginning, and I don't have time for that right now. But if you believe you create your reality, and your reality is not showing up the way you prefer or the way you would like, what do you think needs to change to have the reality change? Do you think if we just got rid of that cranky boss, we'd feel better? Or do we want to look at, how come I keep creating cranky bosses everywhere I go? How come this reality keeps showing up to match me? What do I need to do to shift my tractor beam to pull in the things that I love and that I want? We have to change our vibration to change our reality. That's how that works. It's the law of attraction. To you, not the law of go bust your ass and get it yourself. No, it's the law of attraction. Like this, it comes to you, which means whatever you're sending out there, the universe shows up to match you.